Hello and welcome back to my tutorials. It's a little while of time from the last video. So today I will show what I have been learned about Python. I use Python in my daily work to create XML documents and parse the documents. This video is how you can create your own XML documents by helping from Python. So first we need to tell it's a Python document and it's using encoding UTF-8. So because I telling this document it's using UTF-8, it's because I have experienced sometimes I need to use let's say text.encode UTF-8 before it's will working. If you use this encoding in the top of your document, you do not need encoding every time, so you save a little time on that. And the next we need is to tell we need XML DOM and mini DOM, and we need the OS library. The mini DOM we use to handle our XML, and the OS library we need to use to join our paths. I will show you later. So first we need a root document. It's equal to minidom document. Sorry, and the next we need it's just a minute. Is to creating a XML document here. So XML is equal to root create create element. We can call our root document is root. So let's trying to like it's working. So we need to save our file. For saving our file, we need to pass our XML to an XML strings before we will save it, and we need it to have tab increased. Root and product and whatever. It's more readable. So let's starting to that. We need to call our root path again, and top ready XML and this increased by tabulator. When we have that, we can use it with open or save path file, and we need to read inside this file as if, and we need to write to the file to the XML strings. Now it's need to working, but before it's working you have seen we need a save path file here. We can call it test.xml file. So let's starting to test it. Python app and need this, and we have it inside here. So let's made open. I think we can refresh it here. Showed in Finder. We got it here, and we open with the text code. Yes. So now you can see we have an XML root with the version 1.0, and we need a little bit more to append this. So just a minute. Yes, we need to add it to child, sorry, and root append child, we call it XML. We run it again, and we can run it inside the XML again. Just a minute. and XML code here. We got the root now. So to handle more inside our root element, we can call it the child is equal to root create element product and child. Let's call it product child, is easier to read. And now we need to XML append child and product child. Let's looking about it's working. You can see this in product inside it now. If you need to set an ability, you need maybe a product ID to handle that. Like if you take it from the database and having a product ID or something, you need to identify every product node. So you can go to product child and you can set an ability. Just a minute, I need to see how we spell it. Yep, and set as ability. Sorry, and we needed a ID on it. ID, and we can call it for test ID if we want. So when we open then this time, we have an ID ability, the test ID. Now we need a more inside this, like you know, the product title and the product cost and whatever you want. So if you need to get the nodes inside this product child, we need to build this. It's a child of product equal to root create node, and we needed to cost price, and we need to append it to we need to product child, and we need append it and child of product. Yes, and when we go here, we need to set in a text node. Child of product. Just a minute. Append. Append child, and we needed to root create text node, and we can call it sorry for my missing, we can call it 500.00, and we copy this line, and we can call the first line for title test product, and we needed a cost price, we need a product price. When we need to sell this out in a store, we need to take kind of money to earn one on it, and we can call it store. And how many we got on the store? We need 15 on the store, and it's run it perfect, and we have it here. So now we have the root node. Inside a root node, we got the product with the product ID as an ability, and we got a title, the price, and the cost, and how many on store. If you want more products, we can while it. You know, if this is a single example, so it's only can hold one product. So let's trying to while sorry, 4 I can't remember the for loop. Just a minute. I'm using a PHP every day, so I can't remember the for syntax in Python. So just a minute. Let's try this. Yeah, that's fine. Let's try this. I only need to handle this to test. It's nothing important. And let's say the nump. It's yes, it's nump. And now it should be working. It's dust, so let's looking up. You can see 10, 11, 12. Now we got the products, and yes, it's working. So thank you for watching my first Python video. I hoping you enjoyed it. If you like it, you can like it below, and I hope you want to subscribe to get more videos. Bye bye.